Hey, welcome back for the third rotation of opening up these boxes, and this time we're going to look at the Desert Raider up here, and just kind of look at some of the extras come with this kit, because you got all these extra jerry cans, you've got your Vickers machine guns, you've got this bracketry and stuff back here to hold that, some strapping. And the vehicle also has an overflow tank for the radiator system. And check out the forward sort of leaning jerry can on this particular side of the Jeep. I'm not going to show everything because, as I stated before, I covered all of the other main body parts in the other videos. All right, so I just want to give you an image of some of the photography that's on here. Real nice box art, okay? And here we are, SAS 4x4 Desert Raider, 1/6 scale. Okay, oh, this is interesting. There's some extra stuff on here. And here are the instructions, along with all of the parts lists. And you notice here, the stuff that's highlighted will be omitted in the kit. In other words, it's not going to be used during the construction, like the top boats, for instance. Remember I mentioned earlier in the other video about this missing a shovel and an axe. Well, right there, they're telling you don't even use them. So we can save those for our 1/6 scale figures. Yeah, okay. So there is a sticker set and things in here for the dash and data plates, and the instructions are straightforward, all right? Nothing exciting about that, but there are some basic instructions here for the jerry cans, and it's telling you it's 5 times. So we should have plenty of jerry cans. All right, what's in this box here? I've got, looks like a shipping receipt. I ordered this from Phil's Hobby. Is there a date on here? So I bought it on, people have been asking, where do you get the kits? Well, I found it on Amazon, right? Got a great deal on it, and I ordered it back in January, February, March, April, May 4th, 2012. That was the shipping label. And obviously it went to my old address. I had my wife's name on that particular thing there, so she was probably surprised when she received a 1/6 scale vehicle. But Phil's Hobby Shop, at philshobbyshop.com. And this was the, you know, sort of the cards that came with the kit. And yeah, but I never got rid of it. So again, body tub sides for the standard kit. Same thing with the seats. And I noticed with all 3 of these models, these seats right here, especially these particular ones, didn't survive staying on the sprues. They were all busted loose when I opened the kit. So that was, I don't know, it means nothing, but it's pretty, you know, standard or whatever. This time, as I unpack this, I'm putting it in the order I took it out, so I can put the stuff back in, this in reverse order, okay? Radiator components. Alrighty. Just like the other one, here's the machine gun parts, and right there is the overflow tank for the radiator. That's packaged separately in there. I wonder if they gave us any hoses for that purpose. We'll see. All right, it came out just like that. Okay, springs and firewall. Hood and cowl. In that direction. Floor, cross member, blackout lights, crash pads, battery, and voltage regulator. It's tucked in there like that. Okay, here's another sprue for the machine gun. The racking back here for the jerry cans. It was in that location. Front rear axles. And the front axle does have a steering knuckle on there, so I'm assuming that the steering does move. I didn't cover that the last time we talked about this, but yeah, it still needs work. But you know, these things are so big that a guy can very easily take some wire and run brake lines in and around this stuff. And I think it'll be very simple to do. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And with the kits. All right, frame. All right, let's get to some good stuff here. Where are we at? These are just the wheels and hubs. We'll put that there. Grab handles, more wheels and stuff. I'm actually going to leave that stacked just the way they have it in the box. Okay, here's how the stuff is in there. That's just a set of wheels and grab handles and things. You've seen those in the other deal. All right, spare tire, exhaust system. All right. You're familiar with the glass, and you're familiar with the dash and all that stuff, but right there's the little rubber hose and all the strapping for the jerry cans. This will come from the from the radiator up to the overflow tank. All right, good. Same hardware kit. And we have oodles and oodles of frickin' jerry cans, man. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 of these jerry cans. Okay, and I don't know if, yeah, they're all the same. But they all have, handles and caps and all that kind of stuff, and they all look the same. And they say the United States of America. That's right, America. All right, let's see if we can get this thing back together the way it was intended to be packed without destroying stuff. Let's put all the smalls back in here, and we went. Then we had the wheels sticking on that rear end, frame, axles and whatnot. All right, gun parts, hood and cowl, firewall and springs, machine guns. Yeah, gotta love machine guns, man. All right, radiator components. I'm already seeing that this is even though you watch me take it out and watch me put it back in there, she's acting up, my friends. Okay, seats, body, instructions. Oh, when I do stuff, my tongue sticks out. Desert Raider. Go get you some. Yeah. I need to build some of this stuff, don't I? Take it easy, folks. I love you.